Hello everyone. For today's video, I will be showing you how to write a tweet on Twitter. So right now I am pulled up on my Twitter homepage and you will find my handle, which always free to give me a follow. And this just shows some tweets from people that I am friends with and follow, and then sponsored posts. And we have on the left different people, I would say different pages I could follow. Depends on the point of view. So to write a tweet, you'll want to go to the right where it says the tweet button, and give it a nice click, and it will give you the option to compose. So right here, I'll be writing what's happening, which I will put, I cannot wait to be back in Macomb. So it does give me an option of a Twitter handler I can follow, or I can tag, I apologize, but I will choose not to, just hit the space button and put a colon parentheses to make a smiley face, and we'll compose the tweet pressing the tweet button again. It's a very simple system to use. So my tweet was sent, and to see the new tweet, I can click on it, and right up here shows my tweet amongst all the other people that I follow. Hope this video was useful, and I look forward to seeing some of your tweets. Thank you so much. Have a great night.